Prakash Malhotra, a distinguished military leader and statesman. General Om Prakash Malhotra, often referred to as O.P. Malhotra, was a highly respected Indian Army officer and statesman. Born on August 6, 1922, and passing away on December 29, 2015, General Malhotra's career spanned military service, diplomacy, and governance. His contributions to the Indian Army and his roles as a diplomat and governor have left a lasting impact on India's military and political landscape. Early life and education, birth and family. Om Prakash Malhotra was born in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Coming from a family with a strong sense of duty and service, Malhotra was inspired to join the armed forces from a young age. Education. He completed his early education in Jammu and then moved to attend the Indian Military Academy, IMA, in Dehradun, where he was commissioned into the Indian Army. Military career. Commissioning in early service. Malhotra was commissioned into the Regiment of Artillery in November 1941. His early years in the army saw him serving in various capacities during World War II and the early years of independent India. Post-independence service. Post-independence, Malhotra held several key positions within the Indian Army. He was instrumental in modernizing the artillery and improving operational strategies. His leadership skills were recognized early, leading to rapid promotions and increased responsibilities. Key positions and commands. Malhotra held numerous command positions, including General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Western Command. His tenure in these roles was marked by strategic insights and the strengthening of India's military capabilities. Chief of Army Staff. In 1978, Om Prakash Malhotra was appointed the Chief of Army Staff, a position he held until 1981. During his tenure, he focused on enhancing the operational readiness of the army, modernization of equipment, and improving training programs. His leadership was critical during a period of regional tensions and internal challenges. Post-military career, diplomatic service. After retiring from the army, Malhotra was appointed as the Indian ambassador to Indonesia. His diplomatic acumen helped in strengthening Indo-Indonesian relations, particularly in defense cooperation and cultural exchanges. Governorship. Malhotra served as the governor of Punjab from 1990 to 1991, a period marked by significant internal strife and insurgency. His military background and administrative skills were crucial in dealing with the complex security situation in the state. Awards and honors. Military awards. For his exemplary service, General Malhotra received several military awards, including the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, PVSM, for distinguished service to the Indian Army. Civilian honors. His contributions to public service and diplomacy were also recognized with civilian honors, reflecting his versatile contributions to the nation beyond his military career. Personal life and legacy. Family. General Malhotra was married to Saroj Malhotra, and they had 2 children. His family life was marked by strong values of service and dedication, principles that he upheld throughout his life. Philosophy and values. Known for his discipline, strategic thinking, and leadership, Malhotra was a role model for many in the armed forces. His philosophy centered on duty, honor, and country, which guided his actions both in military and civilian roles. Legacy. General Om Prakash Malhotra's legacy is multifaceted. He is remembered as a formidable military leader who contributed significantly to India's defense capabilities, a diplomat who strengthened international relations, and a governor who navigated complex political landscapes with skill and integrity. His life and career continue to inspire military personnel and public servants alike. General Om Prakash Malhotra's life was a testament to dedication, leadership, and service. From his early days in the military to his significant contributions as Chief of Army Staff, and later as a diplomat and governor, Malhotra's impact on India's military and political spheres was profound. His strategic vision, leadership qualities, and commitment to the nation remain exemplary, ensuring that his legacy endures as a guiding light for future generations.